This is a virtual reality-enabled video. Use your finger or simply move your phone to look around.
Liquid membranes are a great way to help extend the life of many low-slope or flat roofs. They help protect the roof from damaging rain and sun. Some highly reflective coatings can even lower the temperature of the roof and help save money on energy costs. The HydroStop Premium Coat System includes all the components needed to create a full roof membrane on site. The system includes HydroStop Premium Coat, Foundation Coat, Finish Coat and Fabric, as well as butter grade flashing. Here are examples of commonly used application tools. The HydroStop Premium Coat System can be used directly on many substrates, such as most metal, structural concrete, asphaltic, and single-ply roofs. Today, we will demonstrate the installation of the HydroStop Premium Coat System over an asphaltic roof. Before coating, the roof should first be evaluated and prepared. In this case, loose granules should be swept up and removed. A moisture survey should be conducted to determine if any areas have been compromised by water infiltration. Make sure to replace any wet insulation and address any ponding water areas. Once the roof is sound, it is ready for the HydroStop Premium Coat System. It's important to conduct an adhesion test to ensure the coating will properly adhere to the substrate. This also helps determine the proper primer needed. To clean the substrate, GAF recommends the appropriate cleaner be used based on the roof surface. Pressure washing the roof is recommended at this point to make sure the roof is clean and free of any debris. On this roof, loose granules and other debris need to be addressed. Take care not to force any water into the seams. Once the roof is completely dry, the appropriate primer may need to be applied depending on the substrate. Today, GAF Unibase Primer was used to promote adhesion and bleed blocking, which can commonly occur on asphaltic roofs. Next, fix any cracks and damages with HydroStop Foundation Coat and Fabric to avoid bridging, blistering, and cracking of the liquid membrane. The next stage is to seal the roof using HydroStop Foundation Coat and Fabric. It is important to thoroughly seal all penetrations, joints, transitions, curbs, drains, and walls, since most roof leaks occur at these locations. Like you can see here, these pipe boots were properly flashed and sealed. Now, the HydroStop Premium Coat System can be applied on the field of the roof, starting with HydroStop Foundation Coat. Each coat should be applied at 1 to 1.5 gallons per 100 square feet. Using a roof brush, apply the first layer of HydroStop Foundation Coat. The green color of the foundation coat makes it easier to see when applying the finish coats. Next, lay the fabric into the wet foundation coat with a minimum 4-inch overlap. Use a roofing brush to ensure the fabric is laid flat with no wrinkles or voids. This prevents any tenting that can lead to a warped membrane. For the second coat, cover the fabric immediately with another layer of foundation coat, making sure it is fully embedded in and covered by the foundation coat. Once the foundation coat is dry and walkable, the HydroStop Finish Coat can be applied using a brush, roller, or sprayer. In this case, an airless sprayer was used. For the best, most even coverage, apply each coat perpendicular to the previous coat, with a minimum of 2 to 3 coats. So that's the HydroStop Premium Coat System, a simple and effective professional coating system that will help protect your roof. For more information on the HydroStop Premium Coat System, go to gaf.com/HydroStop.